95% screen to body ratio, a big lie. 45 days of battery time, such a stupid lie. Hey guys, I'm back again, and this time we talk about Lenovo Z5 and a lie of the year. So first off, talk about lie. 95% screen to body ratio, a big lie. 45 days of battery time, such a stupid lie, because here's no smartphone in the whole planet with almost 10 or 15 days of battery life. Why you said such a stupid thing, 45 days? I'm not understand. And one more lie is 4 TB of internal storage. Where is 4 TB of internal storage? Okay, so now talk about Lenovo Z5. So Lenovo Z5 is not a flagship phone, it's a mid-range phone with almost a budget price. The phone is okay price wise, specs wise, the phone is okay. Snapdragon 636 processor will boost this phone with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 and 128 gigs of internal storage. The phone is okay. This is a mid-range phone with a 1,299 yuan. So the price of this phone is obviously very low, but lie on the other side. 4 TB of storage, 95% screen to body ratio with no chain and no notch, and 45 days of battery life. Where are these all things? So yeah, that's all about the Lenovo Z5 and a lie of the year. Now let's know what do you guys think about the lie of the year and Lenovo Z5. Now your turn. Let know what you guys think about it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.